Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you the step-by-step process to download and install Wondershare Filmora on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open your browser, type in Filmora, and click on this official website. Once you're there, click on the Buy Now button. On the pricing page, you'll see three main options: individual, team and business, and education. If you only want Filmora for a single device, the individual plan is the right choice. But if you're planning to use it across multiple devices or for business purposes, then go with the team and business option. In this tutorial, I'll select the individual plan so you can see how it works. Now, under the individual section, there are three different plans available. Out of these, I recommend going with the perpetual plan because it's a one-time payment and comes with a 30-day free trial. Next, select your operating system, Windows or Mac, and click on the Buy Now button. At this point, you'll need to enter your email address and then hit Continue. On the next page, fill out the required details, including your card information. Don't worry, Wondershare won't charge your account right away. Payment will only be processed after the free trial period ends. Once you've completed everything, click on Secure Checkout to finish the setup. Alright, now for the second step. Go back to the Filmora homepage. On the top right, click on the Download button. Once the setup file is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install Filmora. Once installation is complete, open Filmora and sign in using the same email ID you entered earlier during registration. After signing in, you'll be able to use Filmora without the watermark and enjoy all the premium features. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Wondershare Filmora on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more guides. If you run into any issues, just drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.